We had our main roof done, the pool house roof done, this front deck done, and we had all the railings redone as well. The main deck in the back, we also had that resurfaced with Trex.
Just gorgeous. The way it turned out is honestly more than I ever anticipated.
We looked at several other contractors. We got quotes on both the roof and the decks, and Couto came through on both of them with the best quality. Also, we did our homework, and they had very good reviews. So we really felt the most comfortable. They weren't the most expensive and they weren't the cheapest, but we felt that they were the best bang for the buck. Tyler Mello did a fantastic job, and Carlos was the main project manager. He was here just about every day, overseeing and taking care of any issues along the way, which there were very few of. Both the roof team as well as the deck team were great. Every day they did an incredible job cleaning up, which we really appreciated. We weren't actually expecting that. We thought the cleanup wouldn't happen to the end, but they were here 2 full weeks between both projects. Bringing in your own dumpsters and porta potties and all that really worked out well.
And they were very nice. They were considerate. They were kind. We did a little lunch for them one of the days, and they were very appreciative of that because they just listened to everything that we had to say. If something was amiss, they went to whoever they had to go to talk about it, came back to us, and it was well appreciated. So we're grateful. It's just very appealing. I think everyone that passes is going to really take a look. The back more so when we have company. It's just a beautiful, beautiful deck, and they did a wonderful job.